Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase contrast on GitHub. So if you want to increase the contrast on the colors on GitHub, let me show you how. Click your account on the upper right hand side, click on settings. Then on the left hand side, you want to click on appearance. Scroll down and you will find an option that says increase contrast. So you can go ahead and enable the contrast here on both the light or the dark theme. So turn this on and you will see the big difference here with the contrast. So I'm going to go ahead and show you as well what that looks like if you, for example, change to dark mode. So for example, if I choose this mode right here and I want to increase the contrast, I can go ahead and turn it on and look at that. Just kind of make it a little bit more bright. Even the fonts get a bit more bright, and even the separations with sections, it also make it look much better, right? So that's pretty much how you would do it, guys. As you can see, different themes, you increase the contrast, and that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.